What is the boiling point of a solid core?
Hello, folks. Today, we're diving into a super intriguing topic that lies at the intersection of chemistry, physics, and geology, the boiling point of a solid core. This may seem like a bit of an oxymoron, considering we often talk about solids in terms of melting points rather than boiling. But hang tight, as we're about to unravel the mysteries of the boiling point of a solid core.
What do we mean by a solid core?
When we talk about a solid core, we're generally referring to the innermost part of a planet, star, or other celestial body. For example, our own planet, Earth, has a solid inner core composed primarily of iron and nickel. The physical properties of these cores, including their boiling points, are determined by a combination of factors such as composition, pressure, and temperature.
Understanding the boiling point.
In everyday terms, the boiling point is the temperature at which a liquid turns into a gas. For a solid to reach its boiling point, it must first pass through the phase of being a liquid, i.e., it must reach and exceed its melting point. The specific temperature at which this happens depends on the material in question and the ambient pressure. For instance, the boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius, 212 degrees Fahrenheit, at sea level, but it decreases as we go higher in altitude where the pressure is lower. For a solid core like Earth's, we're dealing with incredibly high pressures due to the weight of all the rock and metal above the core. Therefore, the boiling point would be at an incredibly high temperature, much higher than we could achieve in a normal laboratory setting.
Can we determine the boiling point of a solid core?
The short answer is, it's challenging. Even though we can estimate the boiling points of pure substances under specific pressures, estimating the boiling point of a planet's core is extremely difficult. The main reasons are the high pressures, the variations in pressure and temperature throughout the core, and the fact that these cores are not composed of a single substance but are mixtures of various elements. Moreover, the boiling point of a substance in a planet's core could be influenced by the surrounding conditions and the presence of other elements, leading to what scientists call eutectic points. These are the temperatures at which a mixture of substances melts or boils, and they can be significantly different from the boiling points of the individual substances. So there you have it. The boiling point of a solid core isn't a simple number we can just look up. It's a complex interplay of many factors that scientists are still working to fully understand. Even though it's not as straightforward as the boiling point of water, the science behind it is a fascinating glimpse into the extreme conditions that exist deep within the celestial bodies we call home. We hope you've enjoyed this deep dive into the boiling point of a solid core, and we'll catch you in the next video.